Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are good, safe at your home. This is your Qaida lesson of grade 1. Topic is Huruf-e Madda, chapter number 9, reinforcement. As we have done this chapter earlier in our second term, just we are revising it again. It's page numbers 18, 19 and 20. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify and pronounce Madda letters correctly. You'll be able to read joining and fluently as well. You'll be able to tell Madda letters by heart, inshallah. Introduction. Madda letters are three: Alif, Waw and Ya. Before Alif there will be Zabar always, before Waw Pesh, and before Ya there will be Zer always. Madda letters we should read one time long always. Here you have page from your Qaida. As you can see at the top is written Taqti number 9 Huruf-e Madda Alif Waw Ya. As you know our rule that wherever in your Qaida box is given, inside whatever matter is written you have to learn them by heart. So it is rule given, it is Madda rule. Huruf-e Madda 3 Alif Waw Ya. So learn them also, again revise them. Huruf-e Madda 3 Alif Waw and Ya. The conditions as I told you earlier in the beginning of the lesson, you can see it's written Alif से पहले ज़बर, वाव साकिन से पहले पेश और या साकिन से पहले ज़ेर हो तो इन्हें हुरूफ मद्दा कहा जाता है और इन्हें खींच कर पढ़ा जाता है, जैसे नूहीहा. So remember that before alif there will be zabar, before waw pesh and before ya zer. At that time they will be considered as madda letters. First of all we are going to revise some examples of alif madda. You can see earlier before whenever we were not having alif, whenever we were not having sign on alif, we were not reading that. But here you can see we are reading. What's the reason? Because it's alif madda. How we got to know that it is alif madda? Because the last sign is given zabar. So we will read ba alif zabar ba one time long. If you are saying ba alif zabar ba, will be wrong. Ba alif zabar ba, ta alif zabar ta, sa alif zabar sa, jim alif zabar ja, ha alif zabar ha, kha alif zabar kha. Remember the difference between madda and leen. As we have, you remember that last week we did leen and huruf leen also waw ya. So there we don't make long and huruf madda we make long. Dal alif zabar da, zal alif zabar za, ra alif zabar ra. You can see there are two shapes given, both are ra. In Quran you can see this type of ra also will be written and like this also. Za alif zabar za also you can see two shapes of it. Za, sa, sha. Now I am saying fluently. So, do, to, gha. Make the proper sound. A. Keep the difference between a and a. A. And the next we are having a. Ghain alif zabar gha, fa, qa, ka, la, la. Here you can see two different shapes of la. Ma, na, wa, ha. Keep the difference between ha and ha. A, ya, gha. Then we have some words given from madda letters. Alif madda. Alif madda की मिसालें. Zata, zal alif zabar za, ta zabar ta. So where you are making long, you can see with zal alif madda is there, so we'll make it long. Ta there is nothing, so we'll not make it long. Only zabar is there, so we'll not make it long. Zata, khafa, same there. Kana, qala. You can see same over here also. Qaf, there is with khaf there is alif madda, so we'll make it long. With lam there is no madda, so we'll not make it long. Qala, taba, tola, adun. Here making gunna because of tanween. Ma lana, two times alif madda, so two times long. Ma lana, not ma lana, because there is no madda on lam, so ma la na. ما لنا عالم تنوين غنة حاسد تنوين غنة ظالم تنوين غنة ثوابا. Here you can see when we will join this word, one alif we will read, another will not read. I will read it for you. Sa zabar sa, waw alif zabar wa, sawa, bado zabar ban, sawaban. You can see first alif when we were joining we read that, but the second alif we did not read. What's the reason? Because the first one is alif madda and the second is not alif madda. And how we got to know that? Because the last sign before alif, this first alif we have zabar, so it is alif madda, but this alif before last sign you can see it's not zabar, it's do zabar, so it's a different sign which we are required. It is not that, it's not zabar, so we'll not read this alif. Okay, so we'll go to the next page. It's page number 19. Now we have the next page of this chapter, vav madda. We have examples of vav madda. Now you can see before vav there is pesh, as it is told you in the beginning. Ba vav pesh, boo, alif. Ba vav pesh, boo. One time we will make it long. Boo, tu, fu, ju, hu, hu. Don't say it hu, hu, du, zu will be wrong. Okay, long one time. Du, zu, ru, zu, su, shu, su, du, tu, zu, u, ru, fu, qu, ku, lu, mu, nu, vu, hu, u, yu, zu, qalu. You can see here we are having some words from vav madda examples. So qaf alif zabar qa, one time long we have alif madda, and then lam vav pesh lu, vav madda qalu. You can see this alif we are not reading vav. Why? Because you can see the last sign which we are required for alif madda, it's not there. We are having last sign, it's silent sign, it's not zabar, so we will not read it. Qalu, kanu. Same we are having on the next word. Just remember to make the difference in the sound qa and ka. Duna, hadu, qu'udun, tanween, ghunna sound. A'udhu, wujuhun, fazi'u, ju'in, yufuna, yusala, zalamu. Now we'll go to the next page of madda chapter. It's ya madda. We have examples of ya madda. You can see before ya we have zer here, ba ya zer, bi, ta ya zer, ti, sa ya zer, si, jim ya zer, ji, ha ya zer, hi, kha ya zer, khi, di, zi, ri, zi, si, she, sri, tri, tri, ri, 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 fi, qi, ki, li, mi, ni, vi, he, e, ji, three. Then we have some examples of some words are given with madda letters alif waw ya. Hasibu, ya madda is there, so we'll read it one time long. Not hasibu, hasibu. Awi, awi will be wrong, as you can see alif madda khada zabar is there, that also will be read one time long. A and V because of ya madda. Awi, yatiman, khalidina, hina, kuli, azizun, qila, hakimin, majidun, muhitun, fikum. Just remember to make madda letters long. Just remember to make madda letters long one time. Learn madda letters by heart. Huruf madda are 3, alif, waw, ya. Practice in both the ways with joining the letters and fluently as well. Hope this video is helpful for you to learn the lesson properly. Thank you.